Ganja. Azerbaijan's second largest city is a culture hub filled with history, parks, and vibrant urban life. From boutique stays to international chains, here are the top 10 hotels in Ganja that promise a comfortable and memorable stay. First one is Ramada Plaza by Benjam Ganja. Ramada Plaza is the most well-known international chain hotel in Ganja, offering luxury and comfort under one roof. Rooms are spacious, elegantly furnished, and equipped with modern amenities like Wi-Fi, minibar, and flat-screen TVs. Guests enjoy the large outdoor pool, spa, gym, and multi-restaurants, serving both Azerbaijani and international cuisines. The second one is Ganja Hotel. Ganja Hotel is a centrally located property ideal for travelers who want easy access to the city's attractions. Rooms are clean, comfortable, and affordably priced, making it popular among tourists. Guests appreciate the warm hospitality and helpful staff who guide them throughout the city. The hotel has an in-house restaurant offering local dishes and the atmosphere feels homely. The third one is PM Hostel and Hotel. This property combines the trendiness of a hostel with the comfort of a budget hotel. It offers both dormitory style accommodation and private rooms with modern facilities. Guests highlight the clean environment, strong Wi Fi, and communal kitchen. The staff are welcoming, catering a family like atmosphere. It's especially popular among backpackers and budget conscious travelers. Its central location makes it easy to explore Ganga on foot. The fourth one is My Way Hotel. My Way Hotel is a boutique property offering stylish room and a cozy ambience. The interior are modern with neat decor and comfortable bedding. Guests enjoy the complimentary breakfast and personalized service provided by the staff. The location is calm yet close to the city center, giving the best of the both worlds. Reviews often highlight the clean environment and value for money pricing. It's a great option for both business and real estates. The fifth one is Cinema Boutique Hotel. As its name suggests, Cinema Boutique Hotel has a unique movie theme design, making it a quirky and memorable stay. Rooms are well decorated, featuring film-inspired decor and modern amenities. The hotel offers a small cafe and lounge where guests can relax. Service is friendly and the overall vibe is youthful and creative. Its boutique nature appeals to travelers looking for something different, a stylish spot for cultural lovers. The next one is Ganja VIP Hotel. Ganja VIP Hotel offers spacious rooms with elegant interiors and a touch of luxury. Guests highlight the comfortable beds, neat bathrooms, and clean, excellent housekeeping. The in-house restaurants serve a variety of Azerbaijani and European dishes. The hotel is also known for its event facilities, making it suitable for business travelers. Service is attentive and professional, adding to the overall appeal. It's a solid mid to high range choice in Ganja. The next one is Vigo Hotel. Vigo Hotel is a mid-range property located in the city center, making it convenient for sightseeing. Rooms are cozy with clean furnishing and all essential amenities. Guests enjoy the breakfast, buffet, and local dishes served in the hotel's restaurant. Its location near shopping center and cultural landmarks add to its popularity. The staff are friendly and always ready to assist with tours and local recommendations. The next one is Cinema Plus Hotel. Cinema Plus is another boutique style hotel that blends modern comfort with artistic themes. The rooms are stylish and designed with attention to detail, offering a unique stay experience. Guests highlight the friendly service and calm environment. The hotel's cafe is popular for light meals and drinks. It's ideal for travelers looking for a mix of comfort and creativity. The central location makes it easy to explore Ganja. The second last is Premium Hotel Ganja. Premium Hotel offers a refined environment with comfortable, well-furnished rooms. Guests enjoy amenities like free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and private bathrooms. The on-site restaurants serve Azerbaijani and European cuisine, often praised for quality and freshness. The hotel's professional service and attention to detail make it popular among business visitors. Its quiet setting ensure a relaxing stay. The last one is Comfort Ganja Hotel. True to its name, Comfort Ganja Hotel focuses on providing a homely, cozy environment. Rooms are clean and practical, equipped with all basic amenities. Guests appreciate the affordable pricing and helpful staff. The property is close to local market and eateries, making it convenient for everyday needs. It's best suited for budget-conscious travelers and families, a reliable option for short stays. Yancha combines history, culture, and modern urban life, and its hotel reflects its diversity. From luxury resort like Ramatha Plaza to creative boutique stays like Cinema Boutique and budget-friendly spots like PM Hostel, there's something for every traveler.